Hello everyone, this is Sheshe, and today I am sharing with you a simple card that I'm making. Well, actually it's a bunch of cards. I'm mass producing a simple Valentine's Day card. I only have like a day and a half to get a whole bunch of cards made. So I'm using this stamp set by the ton. I believe it's like one of their incentive stamps that they give out when they have their big releases. But I believe I paid like $5 for this, but it's a really cute stamp set. So you could probably make a card for male or female for this. So I'm going to use that. I'm going to use this set of dies. They're like a wonky stitch die set. Then I'm going to use some Wink of Stella and this red pen to fill in the heart, and then the Wink of Stella just to give it some sparkle. So it's not too plain, but it's a simple card, like I said. So sit back and enjoy the process. Here's the finished cards. I made about 6. I have a few more to go, but I just thought I would share how many I did and all the different colors. So this is a little bit darker than this one. So here we go. Great for male or female cards. Did them in red. So just a great design when you need to mass produce. Simple, just stamp and go. You know, I did the 2 different stamps, and this again came from the ton. Here is their logo, the Ton Couture Clear Stamps, and this was the set. Okay, so I hope you're inspired, if you're making a lot of cards like I am, to get out your stamps and mass produce some Valentine's Day cards. So take care everyone, and have a fabulous day.